In today's digital age, security is of paramount importance. Your iPhone, as your personal device, containing a wealth of personal data, requires careful security management. One of the key aspects of protecting your iPhone device is the passcode for unlocking it. And you may have wondered how to change it, or simply want to reduce it to 4 digits, for easier memorization. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will teach you how to change the passcode on your iPhone from a longer one to just 4 digits. Secure and fast. This process will allow you to adjust the security level of your device according to your preferences, making it easier to access your iPhone without compromising on security. Are you ready to learn how? Follow our instructions and soon, you'll have a new 4-digit passcode for your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is open the settings on our phone. After that, scroll down until you find an option called Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode. Once you locate it, click on it. Enter your current passcode to access the settings. Then scroll down and find the option Change Passcode. When you see it, click on it. Now enter your current passcode again. You now have the option to change your passcode on your iPhone device. As you can see, the default option is a 6-digit passcode. To change it to a 4-digit passcode, you need to click on Passcode Options here. Then a menu will open. And from the menu, select the last option for digit, numeric code. Now simply enter your new 4-digit passcode twice, and your iPhone unlocked passcode will be changed. That's it for this video. For more tutorials like this, please leave a like. We hope we've been of assistance.